Making this video to help people out if they've ever been in this situation. This is a 2016 Dodge Durango Limited, and I started having issues with it about, I want to say about 2, maybe 3 months ago. It randomly started not wanting to crank over. It would crank, but it wouldn't turn over. And so what I did, I came in under the hood, popped this fuse box open, and I took the fuel pump fuse out and popped it back in, hopped back in. She started cranking right up. It did that for the next several weeks, maybe month or two. Eventually me pulling that fuse out and putting it back in stopped working. So I took it to the dealer, and they told me it was the fuel pump. So $1,000 fuel pump, I wasn't ready to pay that yet. So I brought it home, and it would randomly start every few days. You could sit here and try to start it for 20 to 30 times, nothing would happen. You'd come out randomly and it would crank, and we'd drive to wherever we wanted to go, come home, park it, and wouldn't start up again for a day or 2 or 3. So what I did is I went online and I did research, and I found this website called Tip 'em Rebuilders, Max. Big shout out to Mac out there. He's been awesome with information and all his videos, and I even spoke with him today on the phone, and he even walked me through the process of the installation. And what I did was I bought a new Tip 'em. The fuel pump relay is mechanical, and it's located inside the Tip 'em. So you have to buy this whole unit to get that fuel pump relay that's on the inside. So they sell them, they rebuild them, and they also sell new ones. I opted for the new one just because, and I just got done installing it, and I'll show you guys what it does. Starts right up. So if you guys ever have any issues with your 2016 Dodge Durango with it not starting, I do recommend you look up Mac's website, tipandrebuilders.com. They are also on YouTube. That's where I found them. And before you buy a fuel pump, buy this first. I was happy spending the money I spent on this first before I spent $1,000 on a fuel pump. So I hope this helps somebody out there. I couldn't find any information for this vehicle on YouTube, so I hope this helps somebody out there, and I will be putting a link up to Mac's website to help you guys get to it. So hopefully this helps somebody out there.